The UAE has extended restrictions on travelers from India till June 30 for now, the most popular international destination for Indian traveler. The UAE imposed restrictions on flight from India from April 25 due to unfolding COVID catastrophe here and has extended the gap from time to time ever since. Absconding diamond dealer Mehul Choksi has now been admitted to a hospital in Dominica, according to information received from Antigua and Dominica on Sunday night. The 63-year-old trader was taken to the Dominica China Friendship Hospital in Rossio after he was taken out of police custody. Yair Lapid, who is closer on Sunday to forming a coalition cabinet to oust long-term Premier Benjamin Netanyahu, is Israel's centralist opposition leader and a former television anchor. The Central Public Work Department is likely to take up construction of the new PM residence in August, which marks a slight delay in earlier plans after shifting offices in hutments at Del House near South Block to the two new office buildings in African Avenue and Kejima. Banks will offer off-the-shelf unsquared loans of up to Rs 5 lakh to individuals for COVID treatment and business loans up to Rs 100 crore for setting up healthcare facilities. Even though the centre has asked Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay to report at the North Block by 10 am on Monday, he has a scheduled video conference from the State Secretariat at 10:30 am on the same day on the Duar train project, which will kick off on June 3. In a surprise check at a hotel offering a COVID vaccine package, Mayor Kishori Pednekar on Sunday found vaccine stored in an ordinary fridge instead of specialized cold storage facility that had needed to store the vaccine. ENT surgeon Dr. Nishish Shah has underscored the need to ramp up the supply of antifungal medicines to tackle the escalating cases of the mucormycosis or black fungus in the city. 2 Olympic medals, 3 Commonwealth golds, and a Padma Shri and a Khel Ratna and Arjun plus numerous awards. Sushil Kumar had the wrestling fraternity eating out of his mind. Actress Amrita Rao, who is quite active on social media, has joined the Jal Lijiye bandwagon and gave it his hilarious tweet. Her dialogue from the film Viva has turned into a meme and fans have been sharing funny memes on social media.